welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. So in this video I'm talk about how to make a YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so for the very first thing is thanks a lot for who supporting me, and thanks for subscribing me, and thanks for always watching my videos. Nobody will comment, so it's okay. I always keep it up, and then I keep going, so I don't stop. So that's all, and I thanks for the whoever watching my YouTube channel. Okay, so hi, I'm Jhaycell here. I'm an affiliate marketer expert and a video creator. Okay, so in this video I talk about how you make a YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so for the very first thing is you can make your voice, or you can make a YouTube channel without your voice. That, for example, number one is for cooking. Okay, so no need your voice. So you can use for cooking, or you can teach them how to cook, and then you can show them. Example, you go to the example, you are going to the forest and cooking the recipe, and you want to show to everyone. Okay, so you don't need your voice also. You just enjoying the music, the nature sound, or you're enjoying the river sound, or you're enjoying the falls, so you cook from the forest, or you cook from your at home. You put the background, or you can, if a lot of noise from your house, you can mute from that, so you don't need your voice also. Okay, so number two is you are posting for the pet lover. Like, for example, the pet lover, they posting the cats funny videos, or dog puppy videos, the funny one. But few, I noticed that some of the YouTuber, or some of the videos that they are posting the pets or dog or cat, they are funny one. They can reach about 1,000 views, 1 million views, so a few of the pet lover is posting the thing without the voice. Okay, so you can post also that one. And then, for example, when you want to tutorial, like, for example, you want to build the house at the forest, so you show them how to use the materials from the forest, so you don't need your voice also, that one. Okay, so how you do the technology, for example, you want to show how to fix the technology, how to fix your phone, how to fix the any kind of technology that you don't need your voice also. Okay, so you can show them, you can make your YouTube channel that you can how to all the technology, so you can show them without your voice. If you don't like your voice, that you don't like to talk to the front of the camera, so you can show them with your hand only. Okay, so you can show from that also. Next is Microsoft. For example, you want to tell them, or you can write them the description also. Like, for example, you can type with them, and then you talk to them, then you don't need your voice. Okay, so you can also doing the, like, for example, anyone voice over, so you can hire to someone also if you don't like your voice. Okay, so you can ask someone. Okay, so voice over also is normally some people now they are using already, and then they are easy for them also, that which is expect from that. And the job for them is to voice typing the Microsoft, or using to the Microsoft. Okay, like, for example, the Siri. Okay, so like the Siri, you can ask them, then they will talk back to you, and then they will find for you. So few of them, like, for example, you don't know who is she, you don't know who is he, so you can make the YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so a few of things that you can show them. Example, you do the tutorial, so you are doing the tutorial that how to make how to make this recipe, how to make this, how to build, how to do this. No, without your voice, you just show them how to make. So the background, you can put the music, or you can put this one. Then the best thing also, you know, the music, like instrument, like for example the flute, okay, the flute, and then the piano, the drum. No need your voice, you just on the instrument, everything from your place, and then you enjoy the music. Okay, so you can enjoy the music as it you on for them. Okay, so you just enjoy from that, and then you put the background, so you need your voice. Okay, so you can do your YouTube channel without your voice. So the best thing also, that if you do want to talk like for your voice, for example, you do want to make like a mistake, you know, you do want the people like criticize you, so you just do the tutorial for the cooking, you know, tutorial for the technology. You can do that, you know. So like for gaming also, now for this, in this time also, the games is very popular, you know, in the YouTube channel. So the gaming that you posted to your YouTube channel is, you don't need to talk, you don't need to, you know, you don't need your voice, so you can show them how it is, how to play the games, you know, because now the youngster, even now the old people, they are playing the games also. So you can show them how to play the games, because some they are not expert how to play, so you can teach them and show them without your voice. Okay, so you just posted the video games, how what you doing about the game, so you are already successful gamers, so you can post and show them, so you have already a YouTube channel. So the best thing of the without your voice, because the when you are posting the thing is, you need to like think that what you want to talk for the next one. Okay, so you just show them how to do this, how to do that, you know. So posting all the pits, you posting all the pit level, you post it from that, and then you, if you have pit level, you can show them, you know, all the pits of funny pets, what they are doing. Okay, fish, all, you know. Some of the YouTubers, I found it that when they post it, is few of them, they have subscribers a lot and the views. Okay, so you can make a YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so like example, you want to do the plants, you want to do the gardening, you know, you can show them without, no need to talk, you just show them how to do the plantation, how to do the plants, you know. So easy for you, that you don't want to talk, you don't want to say anything at the video, you just show them, or typing, you can type them at the screen, you know. So if you want to teach them, for example, you want to teach him this one, then you can put the type if you want to do the voice also. Okay, so the best fact of this, without your voice, you don't want to use your voice, is you can show them everything as you can do, and then you don't need to explain, and you don't need to be struggling for that also. Okay, so easy for you to post that. So when you want to be, you do want to use your voice advice, is you have to, like example, you hire someone, you know, you can hire to someone also that you want to make for your voice, and then you do the tutorial, so you can ask or someone also to do for you. Okay, so easy, it's very easy. And then you can also, like for example, like a tutorial for the makeup, so you no need to talk, you just press the type, and then you just do yourself, don't talk also, so also can. Okay, so like example, exercise, or you can dance, you know. So you show them how it is to be fit, and then you don't need to talk, you just show them everything. So you can put the background or music, you just enjoy from that. Okay, so some of the viewers, they don't like the you talk also, some of them is they want only watching the thing, so either they can mute or what. So some of them, they don't like. Okay, so some of the whoever cannot talk or couldn't hear also is taking, is very advantage for them, that you are giving for them the information without your voice, because they also cannot hear and they cannot talk, so they can see only your action, everything. So this is the best, that you use your videos only, and you use your knowledge for them, and you share for them. Okay, so those who are cannot talk, you know, so they cannot talk and they cannot hear. Okay, so you can show them everything, your knowledge, and for them is really valuable, because you just show them, and they also cannot talk. So it's no point you talk to them and you talk. So very good that you posted your video or your channel for them also, that the people cannot talk, so it's very good advantage for them. Okay, so music, cooking, tutorial, or video games, you can post for them. Okay, so or you can do the drawing, drawing tutorial, you can draw from that. You do on your voice, so you can draw everything. You can put longer video because you can draw, and then you show for them, so no need your voice. Okay, so it's easy for those who cannot talk, like speeches, the children, speeches children, the human being that they cannot talk. So it's really taking advantage for them that you share them your knowledge without your voice. Okay, so it's very good for them, and then you can show them everything that you teach them. You can teach them, or you do the tutorial for the like solving problem. Like you solve the problem by mathematics, then you can show them. So it's really good for the student also that they cannot talk, they couldn't hear. Okay, so you show them only how to do the solving problem in the school. If you want to teach the school for your YouTube channel, you want to share how to solve the problem in the mathematics. Okay, so it's very easy for you. You don't need to talk. You can easy to make a YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so just share your knowledge, guys. Sharing is caring. Okay, so everyone must learn from the YouTube. Everyone nowadays, they will search in the YouTube also. Okay, so the watching from the YouTube, that they can learn from you, that you don't need your voice, just action only. Okay, so you just be happy to share your knowledge. That's all. So how you can make your YouTube channel without your voice. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, and please press the notification below, and then every day you can get more videos and you can be notified. Okay, so subscribe for more videos every day. This is Jhaycell here. Bye.